Simple as lightning, starting wildfire, just down from a trip off my high wire. Coming home to walk my own floor. Coming home to the world I know. I'm on the side. I'm on the side. I'm on the side. Take me home where I dream my days away.
Let's you and me go away to the Ice Hotel. The Caribbean's all booked out, and it's just as well. Once I'd have been much keener on Barbados or Antigua, but just now I think the Arctic will suit us well. Let's you and me go away to the Ice Hotel. They've built it all with ice that's pure and clear. The sofas, the lobby, even the chandelier. A thermostat guarantees a steady -5 degrees. What other place could serve our needs so well? Let's you and me go away to the Ice Hotel. Romantic places like Verona.